so remember, Leslie, the last time she was here was 13, 14 months ago. And as you can see, her roots are coming in. And as you can see, her hair is long. The Gina Curl definitely retains the length that she wants. So we're going to start by just sectioning off her hair, combing through it. And we're going to start our technique today. I only used shampoo and conditioner in her hair. There's no leave-in conditioner right now. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is to comb through. I did not comb through this hair yet. But as you can see, it's so easy to comb through. And this is after 13, 14 months after her Gina Curl. This is what makes this technique amazing. So, you know, after 6 weeks, sometimes 3 months, clients, you know, that are used to relaxing their hair and using other chemicals, they're like calling me because they're feeling like they have to come in. And when I tell them they can go 6 months, you know, when they come back for their retouch, they can't believe that they went 6 months and there's no breakage. And their hair is retaining length. The health is amazing. The moisture in the hair. So we just applied the products. We shampooed her, we conditioned her, we combed through her, we put the product on. This is the first step of putting the product on. But why I wanted to show you this was, remember, she had a Gina Curl a year, 13, 14 months ago. Look at the length from roots to ends. So this is her retouch, her regrowth, and then the rest is Gina Curl. We're not going to touch this with chemical at all. Even when I wind it around the perm rod, there's no chemical going on the perm rod. So that means that the hair is never compromised over and over and over again. That's what makes Gina Curl stand out from all of the rest that are out there. Please don't confuse the Gina Curl with any other curl treatment out there, because it's not like those other treatments. This is different. This is why the Gina Curl is going to go global, and it's going to be an amazing feature for your salon. So I just want to remind you guys that Leslie cut her hair only once since I did her last Gina Curl. So that was 13, 14 months ago. And she only cut it once, and look at that length. Let's see, let's turn around so we can show them. Now this is the part where we can literally stop right now and not go into the Gina Curl and just do a straight variation. So once I put the neutralizer on, I rinse out the neutralizer. This is how her hair will be. So it'll dry kind of swollen, but straight. So you can still see the line of demarcation here, but that's okay, because once we curl that, that's gonna smooth right out. I'm combing her hair with a rat tail comb, pretty amazing. And now we're gonna get started with my curl process. Remember, I'm not gonna use any chemical on the perm rods, so there's no overlapping and there is no compromising the ends over and over and over again, like I said before. So we're gonna get started and winding her up, and then she'll have to sit under the dryer for a while, and then you'll see the end results.
like when I came in, I was like, oh, it's gonna be a little bit longer, but like I didn't think it was like this long. Like, oh my god.
That's because your roots were all shrunk up.
Oh my. That shriveled up though, like they're shriveled like 3 inches.
Look at your roots. Look at them. They're awesome.
That's insane.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Mother.
I know. That's crazy.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks good. That looks beautiful.
When you were saying like, oh my god, it's so long, I was like, yeah, I know it's long, but like this long?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Christine. I'm Leslie's mom. I'm speaking to you about the Gina Curl, and I want to let you know that it has been a lifestyle changer for us. Leslie has a lot of hair, and she's always had a lot of hair, and it's always been challenging to do her hair. She's always wanted natural hair. She never wanted any chemicals in her hair. And it's not so much that we wanted chemicals in her hair, we just wanted her hair to be more manageable and healthy. And it has been an extreme challenge throughout her years growing up when she had to do sports and swimming lessons along with running track. She always had to have braids put in her hair, and it would take 3 and 4 days to get the braids in her hair, keep them in for like 3 weeks, and then it takes another 3 or 4 days to take them out, and almost like a week to try and get her hair back into some sort of shape to be able to go to school. It was just a huge challenge, and we've tried everything under the sun, from the InStyler, trying to get her hair straight, the titanium flat iron, trying to get her hair straight, to try and still keep it natural and healthy, but her hair still wound up breaking off. And as it stands right now, once we found the Gina Curl, actually I found it on YouTube, and what made me a believer is seeing a young girl's hair that Gina took care of when she was about 7, 8 years old, and she got the Gina Curl in her hair and came back 2 years later and all of her hair was still in her head. So with Leslie, the same thing we've experienced, and the only way hair comes off of Leslie's head is if she decides to cut it. That's it. It's not breaking off, it's not coming off, it does not get damaged. She can go swimming, wash her hair, put the little conditioners back in it, wash and go every single day if she chose to. It's a very simple and easy, manageable process. And when I tell you, I love it. As her mom, her hair is phenomenal. It looks absolutely gorgeous. She gets so many compliments on it, and we always say, the Gina Curl, you gotta call Gina. Give Gina's number out to people, I mean, everywhere we go. We go to different states all the time. We travel, we've been to California, we've been to Florida. Everyone always asks, oh my God, her hair is absolutely gorgeous. And I always give Gina's number out to them. So get the Gina Curl. It's wonderful. It is a lifestyle changer.
Results. I mean, I've never seen anything like this, like ever. Like it's like you're doing magic. I'm not even. It's like you have magical powers, because I don't understand how this has happened. Like I've had this hair in my head for a year, and I still don't understand how it's this long. This is insane.
That's crazy.
Oh my god. What happened?
We should go back to school. Look at the way I'm putting my fingers through it. I just put shampoo, I just rinsed you and put conditioner in. And now this is leave-in conditioner. And look at the way I'm putting my fingers right through your hair. Is that crazy?
So shocked. I feel like I'm more shocked than I was the first time, which I didn't think would ever happen. I'm sorry. I can't believe this. Because I didn't think it would get this long for a very long time.
Hi everyone, I'm Leslie. I'm from New York, and this is my third Gina Curl. It's absolutely incredible. It's a life changer. I love it.